Welcome to Horizon Sky's Pharmaceutical Facility Planning Training Program, P.F.P. How can pharmaceutical companies help newly recruited and rising professionals develop broader facility planning awareness without depending only on classroom presentations, limited site visits, or years of exposure across multiple live projects? How can universities and training organizations help aspiring professionals understand the practical environment of pharmaceutical projects before entering the industry? To address these learning and capability development needs, Horizon Sky presents the P.F.P. program. The program has been created by the Horizon Sky team, drawing upon practical knowledge and lessons gained from providing engineering services for more than 100 pharmaceutical projects across global markets over the last 23 years. This comprehensive visual learning program is designed for onboarding and rising engineers, architects, project professionals, facility teams, and other multidisciplinary professionals working in the pharmaceutical sector. It is also suitable for university students and aspiring professionals seeking careers in pharmaceutical architecture, engineering, construction, and project management. At the center of the program is a fully developed 80-acre virtual pharmaceutical campus with approximately 1.6 million square feet of constructed area. The campus includes 8 different pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities, along with administration, warehouses, quality control laboratories, central utilities, electrical infrastructure, technical floors, roads, services, and other supporting facilities. Instead of learning only through lectures, participants explore the campus visually. They follow manufacturing process flows, enter the facilities through internal 3-dimensional walkthroughs, observe production and supporting areas, and then connect these visual experiences with detailed facility planning drawings. The complete program contains 40 videos, providing approximately 7.5 hours of structured learning across 5 modules. Participants will also receive downloadable and editable learning resources, including selected planning drawings and technical data sheets. These resources can be retained for future reference and used to support learning, project discussions, and practical planning exercises. Whether you are participating in the program or evaluating it for your organization, let us now understand its complete learning roadmap. Module 1: Basics of Pharma Facility Planning. Module 1 establishes the foundation for the complete program. The first learning video introduces the important terminology, areas, functions, and planning concepts commonly used in pharmaceutical facility projects. The next video explains the complete pharmaceutical project lifecycle, from the initial business requirement and feasibility stage through planning, design, procurement, construction, commissioning, qualification, validation, regulatory activities, and final operation. This module helps learners understand where facility planning fits within the wider project lifecycle and how different project teams are connected. New professionals should complete this module before moving forward. Experienced professionals may use it as a refresher or begin directly with Module 2. Module 2: Campus Master Planning. This module uses the 80-acre virtual campus to explain how multiple manufacturing buildings and supporting facilities are organized as one connected pharmaceutical ecosystem. We begin with an external 3-dimensional campus walkthrough. Participants observe manufacturing blocks, administration, warehouses, quality control laboratories, central utilities, roads, infrastructure, movement routes, service areas, and future expansion possibilities. After visually exploring the campus, they study its master planning drawing. The drawing explanation demonstrates how buildings are positioned and how personnel, materials, vehicles, utilities, emergency access, services, and infrastructure are coordinated throughout the campus. It also explains how master planning must consider safety, constructability, operational requirements, phase development, and future expansion. The final video demonstrates how the same principles can be applied to a smaller, single-facility pharmaceutical campus. Module 3: Facility Planning. This is the central and largest module of the program. It takes participants from overall campus planning into the detailed planning of 8 pharmaceutical manufacturing facility types. Learning for each facility follows 3 connected stages: First, the process flow video introduces the main manufacturing activities and their sequence. Second, the internal three-dimensional walkthrough helps participants visualize production rooms, corridors, equipment, personnel and material areas, and supporting spaces. Third, the planning drawing study demonstrates how the manufacturing process and functional requirements are translated into an architectural facility layout. Understanding the process first makes the walkthrough more meaningful. The walkthrough then makes the planning drawing easier to understand. We begin with the Biologics Drug Substance Facility, or BDS. This approximately 185,000 square foot facility contains 3 independent production lines, 2 based on the suite concept and 1 based on the ballroom concept. We then study the fill-finish facility for liquid vials, lyophilized vials, and ampoules. This approximately 180,000 square foot facility contains 4 independent production lines, 1 liquid vial line, 1 lyophilized vial line, and 2 ampoule filling lines. The next facility covers cartridges and pre-filled syringes. With approximately 245,000 square feet of constructed area, it contains 1 cartridge filling line and 1 pre-filled syringe line. Each line is planned for a production capacity of approximately 120,000 units per day. We then explore the IV fluid facility. This approximately 177,000 square foot facility includes 4 independent production lines, 2 IV bag lines, 1 large volume parenteral bottle line, and 1 small volume parenteral ampoule line. The ophthalmic facility also covers approximately 177,000 square feet. It contains 1 3-piece ophthalmic bottle line and 2 blow-fill-seal ampoule lines. The oral solid dosage facility for tablets and capsules covers approximately 177,000 square feet. It includes 4 tablet production lines and 2 capsule production lines. The liquid oral facility covers approximately 87,000 square feet and contains 3 production lines. The final facility is the ointment facility. This approximately 87,000 square foot facility includes 3 tube filling lines and 1 jar filling line. Some common areas may appear in multiple walkthroughs and planning drawings because they are essential parts of the complete facility. To avoid unnecessary repetition, separate learning videos are provided for major common functions. After exploring these facilities, participants study common planning subjects. Warehouse planning explains receiving, storage, staging, material movement, finished goods handling, and the relationship between warehouses and manufacturing facilities. The program then covers the specialized quality control laboratory for the BDS facility, followed by common quality control laboratory planning for the other manufacturing facilities. Module 4, Engineering Overview. After learning campus and facility planning, Module 4 introduces the engineering systems that support pharmaceutical operations. This module follows a clear sequence. We will begin with an overview of utilities. You will be introduced to the major utility systems required by pharmaceutical facilities and understand their basic functions, generation requirements, distribution considerations, and relationship with manufacturing operations. The next video explains electrical and power distribution. You will learn how electrical power enters the campus and is distributed through the main electrical infrastructure to the different buildings, systems, production areas, utilities, and essential services. The third video explains HVAC philosophy. You will understand why heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems are critical in pharmaceutical facilities and how air cleanliness, temperature, humidity, pressure relationships, filtration, and room classification influence facility planning. After understanding utilities, electrical distribution, and HVAC philosophy, we will study central utility building planning. You will see how major utility generation equipment and engineering services are organized within a central utility building, and how maintenance access, equipment movement, safety, operation, distribution, and future requirements affect its layout. The final video in this module covers technical floor planning. You will understand how air handling units, ducts, utility pipes, electrical services, equipment access, maintenance routes, and other engineering systems are coordinated above or around the production areas. This sequence will help you first understand the engineering systems, and then see how those systems influence the physical planning of the central utility building and technical floors. Module 5. Real Projects Guidelines. The final module connects the learning with important considerations encountered in real pharmaceutical projects. The first video introduces Pharma 4.0 from an architecture, engineering, and construction perspective. It explains how automation, digital systems, data connectivity, intelligent monitoring, and future-ready infrastructure can influence pharmaceutical facilities. The final video introduces government and statutory approvals that must be considered during pharmaceutical project planning and development. For pharmaceutical companies, this structured learning approach can support faster onboarding, consistent foundational knowledge, and stronger cross-functional understanding. Virtual walkthroughs can reduce dependence on repeated introductory facility visits, particularly where access is limited by safety, confidentiality, operational, or contamination control requirements. The program does not replace essential site experience. It helps professionals prepare before visiting a facility, understand more during the visit, and connect their observations more effectively afterward. For universities and training organizations, it can help bridge the gap between academic education and the practical expectations of the pharmaceutical industry. By the end of the program, participants should have a clearer understanding of how pharmaceutical campuses are organized, how different facilities operate, how processes influence layouts, and how architectural and engineering systems work together. The P.F.P. program provides the broader facility planning awareness needed to understand multidisciplinary discussions, coordinate more effectively, ask better questions, and contribute with greater clarity and confidence. For organizations evaluating this program, Horizon Sky invites you to request a demonstration and explore a corporate training or academic partnership. For enrolled participants, welcome once again to the Pharmaceutical Facility Planning Training Program.